Alright, so what we have here is the 3 states of motion. So we're going to start with solid. And you'll notice with solid the molecules are close together. And they aren't really moving around much. So we have a low velocity or low vibration. And one of the key things to know about a solid is that solids have a definite shape and volume. So if you take an ice cube out of an ice cube tray, it still takes the shape of that little section of the ice cube tray. It doesn't spread out or expand or anything like that. Now if we go to a liquid, you start seeing the molecules move around more, and you can see once they've been kind of going for a while that they start moving around the container more. So when we get into a liquid, we see that the molecules spread out. We see more vibration or more velocity. And liquids have a definite volume. However, they take on the shape of the container. So if you take your bottle of water and dump it out on the floor, it makes a giant puddle. It doesn't retain the shape of your water bottle container. And then our last one is going to be gas, so let me switch this to gas. And you start seeing the molecules move around even more. So the molecules are very spread out. And they have a faster velocity. Because as they spread out, they're going to encounter each other more, and they also have a higher temperature. And we'll see later on, in fact in the next unit, the temperature and velocity for gases are going to be directly related to each other. Gases do not have a definite shape or volume. They actually take on both the shape and the volume of the container. So gases are what we call highly compressible. And that's how you can take a tank of oxygen and be a scuba diver, because you can take a lot of oxygen and squish it down into a smaller space.